Hello students, in my last video I have provided some rules on present tense. Today I will give some rules about past tense and future tense. Today I'll discuss about past tense. What is past tense? It refers to an action that has been happened in the past time. It refers to the past time. So it has four parts. First part, simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Some rules are there. When it is used, I have written here an action completed in past. Some examples I have given. I wrote the letter yesterday. So writing this letter has been happened yesterday. So it has been happened in past time. Follow this verb. Verb second form. Second form of verb is used here. Wrote. Write, wrote, written. I think you read this conjugation of verbs. I have provided this chart. Write, wrote, written. So second form is used here. Next example, he slept well. Slept also second form. Sleep, slept, slept. Slept second form is used here. Secondly, past habits and repeated actions. When we indicate any repeated actions, in that time we will use this simple past tense. Took, take, took, taken. Took is used here. He took a long walk every morning. It indicates a habitual action, repeated action. Here, past tense is used. Simple past. Third rules, an action that continue for some time in the past. In the past time, some action that has been going on for some time, continuously. We studies computer. Here it will be studied. We studied computer science for 2 years. Throughout the 2 years, it has been going on. So, studied here, it is used. Second form of verb. What is the formula? Subject plus verb second form and object. Some examples I have provided here. I ate rice. Eat, ate, eaten. Ate is used, verb second form. We played football yesterday. This action had been just happened in yesterday it is happened. We played football yesterday. They fought against the rules. Fought second form is used, second form of verb. Next part, past continuous tense or past progressive tense. Continuous and progressive means it is going on. In last video when you have read present continuous tense, this action is going on now or at present. Same thing, but this action is going on, was going on in past time. First rule, an action was going on for some time. Minutely you will follow. For some time it was going on in the past time. Here example I have provided. She was weeping bitterly. Was weeping. That means was crying bitterly. He was listening to the radio all day. This action was going on for some time. You follow this one. Second rule, with an adverb all emphasizing continuity or with still emphasizing duration. When all is used in a sentence, that means continuity. And still is used, that means duration. It was raining all night. That means it was going on continuously last night or that night. It was still raining. Still here used, that means duration, time. From that time to that time. When I woke up, that it indicates duration. This form just follow. Was raining, was here is used, was raining, that means past continuous tense. For persistent habits in the past used with always and continually. He was always grumbling. Used in making polite inquiries. When we will inquire politely in that time, I was wondering if you could help me. Was wondering. It is also the formula of past continuous tense. So what will be the formula of past continuous tense? Subject plus verb, past be verb. In present continuous tense, you used present be verb. That means am, is, are. But here was, were. these are the past be verb plus verb ing. Verb is used main verb. Cry, weep, dance plus ing plus object. So these are the examples. I was eating rice. I subject was past be verb is used, eating verb plus ing and object. More examples are there. They were playing football yesterday. Playing football, it is a continuous process, continuously happened. So it was happening in past time, yesterday. She was telling a story. These are the example of past continuous tense. Next, third tense of past tense, that is past perfect tense. This action indicates it was happened in past time and finished in past also. An action completed in the long past, but it has been completed for a long time, not a single minute. It has been completed for a long time. Example, the English means Englishman, inhabitants of England. The English had built the Howrah Bridge. Building a Howrah Bridge, that has been happened for a long time, has been happening for a long time ago. The English had built the Howrah Bridge. This second rules is very, very important. It indicates two actions was going on. Two actions happened in the past. Then the past perfect is used. Past perfect, this tense is used in one clause which happened earlier, and the simple past is used in the another clause, other clause. Follow the example. I had written the letter before he arrived. Both action happened in past time, but one action is earlier than the second one. Writing letter, it has been happened before he arrived. That's why this tense is used in the past first clause. I had written the letter before he arrived. I have written here, had written the letter, earlier action, that is the past perfect is used in that clause, and arrived happened later. That means simple past is used here, arrived. Third rule, with verb to show unfulfilled hopes and wishes like expect, hope, suppose, think, want, etc. In these particular verbs, in that case, this tense is used. Follow the example. I had thought to send him a letter but could not send him. Unfulfillment actions is expressed here. That's why had thought, past perfect tense is used here. So what will be the formula of past perfect tense? Subject plus past have verb. You have seen in present perfect tense, present have verb is used. That means either have or has. But here past have verb, that means it indicates had is used plus verb third form plus object. So first example I have given, the patient had died before the doctor came. Both action has been happened earlier in past time, but one action had happened than the next has happened earlier than the next action. That means here patient had died, that has been happened earlier before the doctor came. Doctor came later. That's why had died, this formula of past perfect tense is used in the earlier action, and here simple past is used, came. More examples are there. I had slept before my father came. Both actions, sleeping and father came, that action has been happened in the past time, but one action happened earlier than the second one. I had slept, that had been happened earlier, and father came later. It had been happened. So I had slept before my father came. The train had departed before we reached at the station. Same thing. Train had departed. That action had been happened earlier. We reached at the station. Before reaching the station, train had departed. So train had departed. This first action happened earlier after this action. So this is the fourth part of this tense, past tense, past perfect continuous tense. Here perfect and continuous both tense are mingled. Mingled means mixed here. So there are some rules. First, rules an action that began before a certain time in the past and continued up to that time. An action that had been happened in the past time, but it had been happened for a certain time, for a particular time, for a long time. So here is the example. The children had been practicing for 2 hours till I called them out. They had been practicing for 2 hours, not a single time, single second. It indicates 2 hours, a long time. So this tense is used here. Next I will discuss about the formula of this tense. Next, last rule. 2 rules are there. Last, for drawing conclusions. When we will end by drawing a conclusion about a speech, in that case, you will use that tense. Her eyes were red. She had been crying all day. In that case, you will use this tense. It indicates for drawing conclusion, for ending a conclusion. So here formula: subject plus past have verb, that means had, plus been, plus verb ing, plus object. So here 2 tense are mingled. That's why that formula of past tense, have plus verb third form, slight change is here. Have verb is used and been is coming. Been will become, and continue for continuous tense, verb plus ing, verb first form plus ing is used. So 2 tense are mingled. That's why this formula is in that type. Past had verb and plus been and plus verb ing is used here. So 2 examples I have written. The rain had been pouring all night. Not a single, it indicates not a single second. All night, that means a long period. 12 hours, 14 hours, it indicates. So had been pouring is used. Had is used, been and pouring verb plus ing. Next, they had been hitting our windows regularly. It's a habitual action, it indicates, and they had been hitting is used here. And it for a long period it had been happened. These are the 4 parts of past tense. In next video I will discuss about the future tense.